banana, ba 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 banana, oh ba 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 banana, ba 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 banana, ba ba banana, とかりのポタトリカにマロマニカのティカバババナナ、ヨプラノフラパノノトマバナナラカモピタラモバナナバババナナポテトバナナとかりのポタ。
Alright, the PX41 experiment is finally done.
We just got to be careful not to drop it, or otherwise, we will be infected. Oh no, I've been injecting by the PX41 experiment.
Wait, what? He transforms into a purple minion. Oh no, I better get out of here before he infects me.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Austin Police Department. All residents in the city of Austin, get to your homes immediately. Reports come in that 2 unknown creatures were spotted roaming the streets of Austin. These creatures are not humans. They were described as short, wearing goggles, purple hair, black overalls, black gloves, black shoes, and doesn't speak normally. It shouted out random screams and sounds repeatedly. When they bite you, you will turn into one of them. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. They can also destroy cars, buildings, houses, and anything that they can destroy. All residents are advised to get to your homes at all time. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance at all time. If you see any of the creatures anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Austin Police Department. The situation involving the creatures just got worse. There are exactly 100 creatures roaming the streets of Austin. The creatures resembles the minions, but with purple skin. Apparently the 2 purple minions appear from the beginning. Because of a chemical experiment called PX41, people are running away from the purple minions. There were also reports that the purple minions are indestructible, meaning that if you fire guns, flamethrowers, hitting them with an axe, fire a tactical nuke, or even throwing a giant car at them, they won't take any damage. The purple minions are spreading across the state of Texas. All residents are strongly advised to defend yourself and your friends and family if they're here with you. If one of the purple minions breaks into your home, you must do everything you can to defend yourself. If you don't have any weapons in your home, try your best to get out of the house. If you see one of the purple minions chasing you, run as fast as possible, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
following message is transmitted by the request of the Austin Police Department. This is a civil emergency message that has been issued for the city of Austin. The purple minions are still attacking the city of Austin. There are now 500 minions in the state of Texas. Police officers are having a hard time defeating all of the purple minions. The military are on their way to try and find a solution to stop the purple minions. They say that there might be a cure to end this madness, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. There was another report that the purple minions can also eat people and any other objects. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your homes at all time. Do not make any sounds. This will trigger the noise that the purple minions will hear the sound. If you hear any sounds of the purple minions, don't hesitate to go and investigate the sound. If one of the purple minions spotted you, run away and don't look back and call 911 immediately. Please remain calm and quiet. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
This is KXAN serving the city of Austin. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is a breaking news report. The purple minions are continuing to attack people in the city of Austin. They were seen destroying buildings and cars. Even when the buildings collapsed, the purple minions still don't take any damage. There were more reports that the purple minions are heading to different states. This includes the following states: Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Albuquerque, Colorado, Kansas, and Missouri. There are exactly 5,480 purple minions. The military are having a hard time figuring out the cure for this. All residents are strongly advised to go to an underground shelter at all time. This is a very dangerous situation. Oh no, there's a purple minion in the news station. I need to get out of here right now.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Austin Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place warning that has been issued for the state of Texas. There are now 15,000 purple minions. They are now heading to different countries, such as Canada, Australia, Mexico, France, Italy, Japan, Germany, and a lot more. Police officers have confirmed that they found the cure for this. The cure is by firing jelly that has an antidote on the jelly. When they fire it, the purple minions transform back to normal people. But there are too many of them. The military will have an airplane, so that they can repeatedly fire jelly at the purple minions. All residents are strongly advised to seek shelter in place at all times. Do not go near the purple minions at all time, or you will risk yourself being in danger. Please remain calm, and try to protect yourself and your family and friends. If they don't cure all of the purple minions, this will be the end of the world, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Canadian government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is Canada. Our country is coming to an end. The purple minions have taken over the entire country of Canada. Our police officers have failed to cure all the purple minions. There's nothing we can do. We try every single attempt to stop the purple minions, but we failed. There's too many purple minions to defeat. If the purple minions continue to attack Canada, There's no way we can survive the invasion. The best thing we can do is to gather with friends and family, cherish every moment, spend as much time with them before you'll be infected by the purple minions. Your government will now sign off with the final broadcast. Stay tuned for the final broadcast of Canada. Goodbye everyone. We hope we will see each other in heaven. God bless you all.
With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Australian government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The purple minions that were attacking the United States have reached into our country. Already, everyone is getting infected by the purple minions. Unfortunately, we don't have the jelly blaster that has the antidote. Police officers and the military have failed to save our country. We have no weapon that they can kill the purple minions. All residents are advised to gather with friends and family at this time. Spend as much time with them as possible. Cherish every moment you have with them. We like to thank our officers and the military for trying their best to take down the purple minions. We will now sign off with a final broadcast. Stay tuned for the final broadcast in the emergency alert system. Goodbye everyone. Hopefully we will see each other in the afterlife.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea.
Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instruction will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate with the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is KXAN. We will continue to serve the Austin area. If you are not in the Austin area, you should now tune into station providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system. Broadcasting the Austin area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly. The following message is transmitted by the request of the President himself and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I hate to inform you everyone, but unfortunately, this is the end of the world. The military and police officers have failed to cure all the purple minions. As of right now, the purple minions will continue to infect the United States until everyone will be a purple minion. All attempts of taking down the purple minions have failed. There is nothing we can do to stop them. The purple minions will also be infecting the entire world. All residents are advised to gather with friends and family. The best option is to hold each other's hands as we say goodbye to each other. We'll now sign off with the final broadcast. Stay tuned for the final message in the emergency alert system. Goodbye everyone. We will see each other soon.